Hello my creative people, I welcome you back in this mind-blowing video tutorial where I'm going to teach you how you can download more fonts or how you can add more fonts to your Pixellab app. This is very easy, alright? You know Pixellab has some limited fonts, alright? So it's not every font that you can get in this Pixellab. So they have a default font, alright? So I'm going to show you now how you can now add more fonts to your Pixellab. Alright, if this is your first time watching my video or see my video, I welcome you in my amazing channel where I drop video on graphic design. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please just hit the subscription button now and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that anytime we drop video you get notification. Alright, so I urge you to subscribe if you have not. Thanks for doing that. Alright, so let's move ahead with our tutorial video. Alright, but the first thing I would like you to do is to download an app called Z Achiever. Here's the icon and here's the name. Alright, so you need to have this app before you can go ahead and do this. So just go to your Play Store and download the app. It's very easy. Just type Z Achiever and you will get the app. Download it, and I hope you see the icon so that you will not download the wrong one. So that's the icon. Make use of it. Alright, now I'm going to show you my Pixellab, the fonts that I have already. I'm going to show you how you can download more and add to yours. I already have some in my Pixellab. Let me just show you. So let me click on this test and let's go to test. Let's go to font. Alright, so if you come to font, here is fonts and here is my font and here's the recent one you used. Alright, so if you go to my font in your own, you will find out that it is blank if you have not added anything. Alright, so if you go to your own, it will look blank, that will not be there. But if I should click on my own, you will find that I have a lot here and you can delete them, being because you are the one that added them. But if you go to fonts, which are the normal fonts, you cannot delete them. I hope you can see the difference now. Alright, so here is my font because I have downloaded some. Alright, so in this tutorial video I'm going to show you how you can download fonts, and I would like us to download two fonts. The first one is called Freshman. Alright, Freshman and Athletics. Alright, if you go to my font, this Freshman and Athletics is not there. So let me show you. They are not here. Okay, they are here. Let me just delete them now so that we'll do it again. So I'll click on this to delete them. Then the next one is this Athletic here. So I'm going to delete this one also so that I will show you how to add the fonts. Alright, now let's go ahead and do this. You are going to you will go to your browser. Alright, so you have to move out of Pixellab. You are going to go to your browser. You need to have data for you to do this. You can go to Chrome or Google, anyone. Alright, here is my browser. Alright, this is Google. Alright, so let's start. The first thing you have to do is go to your search bar. You are going to type that font. So there are different sites that can get font. Is that font? Excuse me. That font. Alright, that is 1001 font. There are a lot of them, but I make use of this that font. Alright, so if you search for it, you're going to see this. This is the correct one. Alright, www.dafont.com. Then you click on it, so like you enter the website. Oh my god, the network is too low. Okay, thank god. Alright, so here is that font. If you notice, there are different fonts here. Alright, wow, I think I like these two fonts that I'm just seeing. These two fonts, so let me download them. I want to download them. Then we are now going to download the one I made mention. So if you want to download any font here, just click on this download here, down here. I hope you can see it very well. Let me zoom in so I will see it very well. I hope you can now see it. You can see download. Alright, so if you click on it, then it's going to download. So let me download this first two. Alright, so I'll click on download. Sorry, I clicked on another thing. Let me just go back. I clicked another thing. Excuse me. Oh, the font just disappeared. Alright, no problem. Let me just download the one I wanted us to download at the first time. Alright, so let's go to the search bar, which is this place. Alright, let's zoom so that you see what I mean. Here it is. Alright, if you go there, then you are going to search. The first one you're going to search is freshman. Alright, freshman, then you search. Alright, you can see it, freshman. You can see other suggestion, which is freshman go and all that. But all we want is this freshman. Then click on that download. Alright. When you do that, this is in zip form. Alright, click on download. Or just download it the normal way you download anything from Google. Alright, this one has been downloaded. Then let's go to search bar again. Let's type athletic. Let's search for that one. Let's search for that one. Alright, you can see it here. Wow, in fact there are a lot of suggestions here. Alright, you can download as many as you can. Alright, so I'm going to download this first option here. So I'll click on download. Let's wait for it to now, then click download. Alright, we are done downloading. Alright, then the next thing to do is go to our app, which is Achieve. Alright, the Achieve. Let's go there. So here is the app. Alright, here is the app. So when you download this, your storage, it will automatically go to your downloads. Or else, if your phone, like if you download something from Google and it's install it another place, then just go to that place. But in my phone, when I download anything from Google or from anywhere, it will automatically go to download. So I'm going to click on download, which is this place. Alright, so when I come to download, there are a lot of things here. So if I want to locate this one that I just downloaded now easily, what I will do is I will come to this place. You can do this thing without data. Alright, it's not a must you on your data. So when I click on that, I'm going to click on this date so that it will be according to date. Alright, so I click on date. Now the last one that will be in this place will be those two fonts that I downloaded, and here they are. Alright, hope you can see them, freshman and athletic and athletic.zip. Alright, so now this thing is in form of zip, so we are going to extract it. Alright, so how do you do this? Just tap on any of them, that's on this font that you downloaded. Just tap on it, then you are going to see extract here. If you want to extract it and leave it in this download folder, then you click on extract here. Then if you want to move it to another folder when you extract it, then you click on this extract. So for now, I want to extract it and go to another folder. Alright, so I'll click on extract. So I will select a destination where I will keep this. Alright, so let me just tap on it again, then click on extract. Then let me select the place that I want to use audio book. Let me search for it. Audio book, where is this? Okay, here it is, audio book. Then here's some of the fonts that I have. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to tap on this thing here, down here, so that it will now be installed in this folder. You can see. Okay, this is because I have already downloaded this freshman. Alright, so let me just type replace, so that it replace the one I have before. You can see it. Alright, then next thing we're going to do is let's go back to download again. Then let's go down so that I will select the last one. You tap on it again, then you click extract. Then let's select the folder, which is audiobooks. Alright, once you are there, then click on this. So click on replace. You can see it. Alright, we are done. Then the next thing to do is now go back to your Pixellab app. Let's go back to our Pixellab app. Alright, then let's go to font. then click on my font. Then the next place we are going to click on is this place, this icon. So when you click on it, then let me check how I'll get this. I'll go to this place, I'll select the place, I'll click on download. Let me check if I will see it there. No, it's not appearing here. Okay, here it is. Let me check for audio book. Audio book, where it is. Audio book, my goodness. Okay, here it is, audio book. So I'll go to it, that's the folder. Then I'm now going to search for this, which is athletic. See it here, the first one. Sorry, here it is. That's the first one. Then the second one is freshman. You see it, the level of F. You see it here, freshman. So I'm going to select the two, freshman, and then this athletic. Alright. Once I'm done selecting, then I'll click on this select. You can see it now, it has been added. Look at it here, look at freshman. We don't have freshman before, but look at it here. Alright, let's search for the second one, which is athletic. Let's look and see it now. We have the two fonts in our Pixellab. Alright, so this is a simple way you can add multiple fonts, alright, to your Pixellab app. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. I really appreciate for mapping out your time to watch this video, and I know it was helpful. So if this video was helpful, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like this video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe right now, and make sure you share this video so that others will learn. Drop a comment in the comment section, let me know how you feel about this video. Thanks, and see you in the next video.